Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel FL Institute. This is me, your English instructor Sunny, with one of the essential topic which is all about sentences. Before moving toward the topic, I request you all to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update. Like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your family members. So, the topic which I'm going to explain today, that is all about useful sentences for shopping. So, top 20 phrases for shopping. Whenever we are going to the shopping malls, we use wrong sentences in the shopping mall. So today video is all about to correct your mistakes about the shopping malls phrases. So let's step ahead toward the phrases. So the first phrase is, do you have smaller size? Do you have smaller size? Do you have smaller size? So the second one is, where is the changing room? Where is the changing room? When you are changing something, some dresses, so we use where is the changing room, where you can change your dress. So where is the changing room? Where is the changing room? So the third one is, do you know where else I could try? Do you know where else I could try? So this is also used for room, that where I could try this suit. So you can use both of these words, where is the changing room or do you know where else I could try? Do you know where else I could try? So both are same. So the fourth one is, do you have this item in stock? Do you have this item in stock? When you are asking about the item, that do you have this item in stock? For example, if you want to buy watch, so you can simply say that, do you have watch in stock? Do you have watch in stock? So you can simply say, do you have this item in stock? So this is the fourth one. So let's step ahead toward the fifth one. So the fifth one is, do you offer a cash discount? Do you offer a cash discount? Like whenever you are trying to decrease the rate of the price of an item, so you can simply say that, do you offer a cash discount for concession? So this is the fifth one. So let's step ahead toward the another one. Another one is, do you have any jeans pant? Do you have any jeans pant? So the another one is, do you have a refund policy? Do you have a refund policy? Do you have a refund policy? So the another one is, how much is that t-shirt? How much is that t-shirt? WH question. How much is that t-shirt? You are asking about the price, that how much is that t-shirt or this t-shirt. So the another one is, excuse me ma'am, how can I help you? Excuse me ma'am, how can I help you? So this is for the shopkeeper, when he is asking or she is asking from you that, excuse me ma'am or excuse me sir, that how can I help you? How can I help you? So the another one is, do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? Like if you are not comfortable with a smaller size, so you can just simply say to the shopkeeper that, do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? So the another one is, do you sell ornaments? Do you sell ornaments? So the another one is, could you please help me? Could you please help me? If you want that someone help you, a shopkeeper help you, so you can simply say that, could you please help me? Could you please help me? So where can I wait my groceries? Where can I wait my groceries? Does it comes with guarantee or warranty? Does it comes with guarantee or warranty? Like if you buy something and you don't know about the guarantee and warranty, so you are asking from a shopkeeper that, does it comes with guarantee or warranty? I'm looking for a leather handbag. I'm looking for a leather handbag. And the another one is, would you have some oranges? Would you have some oranges? Where can I find the vegetables? Where can I find the vegetables? Do you have this in different color? If you want to buy an item in different colors, so you can simply say that, do you have this item or this watch in different color? So you can simply say. So the another one is, where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? And the last one is, okay, I'll take it. Okay, I'll take it. So I hope you have gotten today's lesson, because the today's lesson is very essential for those who want to improve their English. So I hope you have gotten something new from today's lesson. So this is all for today. If you have any question related to this topic or another topic, so you can just comment me in the comment box below. So this is all for today, and in the end I would like to wind up my topic with this request to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your family members. So this is all for today. Thanks for being a part of this class. Allah Hafiz.